We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Feature Flags to manage your application's feature releases. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects section and select the project you want to enable feature flags on. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option for feature flags. Click on it to open the Feature Flags Management page. Here, you can create a new feature flag by clicking the Add Feature Flag button. Enter a descriptive name for your feature flag so you can easily identify it later. You can also add a brief description to provide context about what this flag controls. Next, set the initial state of your feature flag. You can choose to have it enabled or disabled by default. This is useful for testing new features internally before rolling them out to all users. Once you've set your preferences, click Create to finalize your new feature flag. Now, you can integrate the feature flag into your code. In your application, use the Vercel SDK to check the status of the feature flag. This allows your application to conditionally enable or disable certain features based on the flag's state. You can test these changes locally or deploy them to a staging environment to ensure everything works as expected. To toggle the feature flag, simply return to the Feature Flags page in the Vercel dashboard, where you can easily enable or disable the flag with a single click. This flexibility allows you to control feature releases without needing to redeploy your application. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.